Kaya dito sa Gawasan.
We're going to the beach. And we're gonna build a mountain castle. And bye-bye. Leaving.
Kabalo na. 30, smile!
Meron tayong 4 destinations na pupuntahan po sa Little Boracay. Sandbar areas, snorkeling areas, traffic areas, and
You stretch out your arms. Stretch out your arms.
I got a whale there. And then round and round.
Wala. Yun.
Yeah. It's starfish.
Can you let him hold it, Daddy?
Let mommy try it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
okay, you put in the water ha. Kami doon.
Look, I cannot hold the other one.
Sige na yun. Liit ba?
Wow! Look. Eee.
Back na.
You do like this, anak, oh. 30. Can you do like this? Faster.
Let's change.
Fish, bye-bye. Sige na, baba ka na. Baba na.